Hi, my name is Rohani Ludivantok. I graduated of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I'm currently working in Raminagi as a food server. My previous job are Tim Ho Wan as a food server, is a Hong Kong cuisine, Lugang Cafe, Taiwanese cuisine as a food server, La Petite Camille, Vietnamese cuisine as a food server, is a semi-fine dining restaurant. My job and responsibility as a food server are welcome and greet the customer, assist them to the table, present the menu, order taking, also the suggestive selling, check box, and pre-bussing, billing out, process the bill, thanks to the guests, teamwork to all the staff, and follow the standard and rules of the company. That's all. Thank you.